Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sierra, and you see I did my makeup today. I'll show you guys later what I used. But so I had to take my stepdad to get his mom's car because our garage broken, and then we're waiting for the garage guy to come today and whatnot or whatever. So now I'm at NTB to get an oil change. I'm waiting for them to open because I'm early, and then after that I'm gonna get my tires rotated. But while we're waiting, my stepdad's mom made me some chocolate chip cookies. She surprised me. I've been asking, like, when is she gonna make them again? And she finally made them. And I'm about to eat one, honestly, because I am starving. I'm not usually like out of bed until later. Not like late, but the fact that my body's up right now, it's like, oh, I'm hungry or whatever. I just got a little side piece. Sun's bright, man. I do appreciate it though, because it's making me look good. I didn't even put highlighter on, and it looks like I'm wearing highlight. Anyways. They're dirty, but I'm pretty sure I got these off of Amazon somewhere. Oh, and be on the lookout for an Amazon haul because I ordered 4 things. And they're all coming in separately, which is annoying. But I don't know how I would do that because some things aren't even coming until second week of May. So, anyways, also in today's video, I will be sharing my favorite Netflix shows and Netflix movies I've been watching over this quarantine thing. So, yeah, be on the lookout or just keep watching the video, and I will see you guys afterwards. Alright guys, I just got home from the tire place. I got my tires rotated and I got an oil change. And then of course they tell you what stuff that needs to be done. And apparently my battery needs to be changed, which makes sense. My stepdad said I've had my car for about 5 years now, so it's about time for a new battery. But luckily the place I go to is giving me a discount since, you know, times are rough right now or whatever. So he's gonna give me a discount, so I'm gonna get a new battery done on Saturday instead, because, you know, times are rough, so I have to wait for my unemployment check to come in. So that happened. There. So I am setting up the stuff real quick, and then I want to share with you guys my favorite Netflix shows and movies that I've been watching. As soon as I get everything turned on. And then after that, I'm going to work on my argument essay, because that's due on Thursday. And then what else? My ethics final. also, because I've got pretty much a lot of it done. I just want to get it, just finish it up, because I pretty much got it almost done already. But let's see if my notes will pull up here. I don't know if it connects or not. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I wanted to share with you guys. I guess I'll put Netflix in the background. Voila! Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the background. All right, so I'm gonna be obviously talking about like what I just said. My favorite Netflix shows and movies. The one I have on right now in the background is Ozarks. It's really a really good show. It's about money laundering, and that's all I'm gonna say about that because I don't want to give no spoilers. But Ozarks is a really interesting show. It grabs your attention well on each episode. The episodes are long though, if you don't have like a long attention span or have that patience to just sit there. The episodes are about an hour and a half long, so if you don't like long episodes, then I wouldn't watch it. But it's a really good show. Like you would think as you're watching it that it doesn't really feel that long unless you like think about it. So like I said, it's a really interesting show. Very interesting. So I don't really want to give no spoilers, but yeah, it's about money laundering and how they have to move to the Ozarks to handle their situation. So yeah, that's my number one favorite show in that. Also the Sherlock Holmes, which I just finished. It's, I don't know, let's see what version it was. Let me see. I don't know if it's gonna. The 2017 version, Sherlock Holmes. It's really good. That show also has long episodes, about an hour and a half long each, but it's only about 4 episodes in each season, so it's not terribly long, but very interesting as well. I didn't think I was gonna like it that much, but it's pretty good. It's like an action show / comedy. Like it's pretty good. There's also a lot of like killing and stuff, so if you don't like that, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you do like action and killing type movies or type shows, then I would recommend Sherlock Holmes as well. Dear White People, I'm still watching. It is pretty good, I would say. It shows you what actually typically happens between being black and being white, and how it's like, it shows you how it's perceived now during our time, so it's a little bit more accurate, and stuff that happens in college if you're black or white. So it shows you actually pretty accurate stuff that happens now with that situation. So yeah. This one I know everybody knows about is The Office. Very, very hilarious comedy show. Love it. Very, very entertaining. So yeah. Scandal. I love Scandal. I love me some Kerry Washington. She is amazing. That's also another action show, so I would recommend that as well. It's pretty good, I would say. It will grab your attention. So a lot of episodes, a lot of seasons, so I'm just saying, check that out. Tiger King, I am still trying to see what the big hype is about. I haven't finished even one episode yet, so I feel like I should give it a chance a little bit. So Nurse Jackie, my mom got me hooked on that. My mom's a nurse, so she relates to a lot of that stuff, but it is hilarious and very dramatic show. I would check it out. Even if you're not a nurse or anything, it's still pretty hilarious, and it kind of relates to the real world. So I would watch it. I would recommend it. The show You, very, very, very I was gonna say scandalous, but very intriguing. It grabs your attention. You're like, what the heck happens in the next episode? I want to know more. So the show You, I would recommend as well. Orange is the New Black, another hilarious show to watch. A lot of nudity, but 18 or older, I would check it out, just saying. Person of Interest, it's also a very good show. I haven't watched it in a minute, but I have finished it. It had Taraji P. Henson in it, and it's about like a computer, like this guy connects with the computer or whatever, and he tells you where the next mission is. The computer tells you where the next mission is and stuff, so I'll recommend that as well. Let's see. Oh, movies. Spiderwick brings me back to the good old days when I was in middle school. I loved that movie. It is kind of a scary movie, I guess, for kids, but Spiderwick is a nice family movie, I would say, to watch with your family. Yours, Mine, and Ours. I love that movie. Very comedian. Two families come together. They both have like 7 kids each, and parents get married, and then it's just chaotic after that. So I would watch it. It's a very good family movie to watch as well. Grey's Anatomy, that stuff is crazy as well. The stuff that goes on in that hospital is pretty crazy. The Hangover movie, which I would recommend for 18 and older. But the Hangover movie is also a comedy movie. The Hangover movie is pretty lit. That's all I gotta say about that. Yeah. All American, guys, please go watch All American. I know everybody is watching that right now, but it is so good. I trust when the hype is real about that. I would recommend it. It's very emotional. It's a good family show to watch. You can relate to it, and it's very personal, and it feels like they're talking with you, and it's just a very, very good show to watch. Very inspirational, so I would watch it. Let's see, 13 Reasons Why. I can't wait for the next season on that. I would recommend, though, if you have like mental or anxiety type issues, that I might not I don't really recommend watching it, because it does have some suicide in it and some other shows. It warns you before you watch the show that it can be a little crazy and emotional, and it might affect you mentally and stuff. So I would recommend, if you have that type of stuff going on, or you're dealing with some personal stuff in life, that I wouldn't watch it. But it is actually a very good show, and it relates to the real world as well, and it's a very good attention grabber. And American Son. So I would recommend all those shows that I mentioned. Ozark, Dear White People, The Office, Scandal, Tiger King, Nurse Jackie, You, Orange is the New Black, Person of Interest, Spiderwick, Yours, Mine, and Ours, Grey's Anatomy, Hangover, All American, 13 Reasons Why, American Son, and Sherlock Holmes. So all those shows and movies I definitely would recommend you watching. So I just wanted to put that in this video, because I know some people are running out of ideas of what to do, what to watch, and stuff like that. So yeah, let's see. I don't know if y'all want to hear this, but I also have some favorite fast food places that I would recommend. I know it's not good for you, and I'm trying to slow down on the fast food and stuff like that, especially during this time. It's kind of hard because that's really the only thing open. There's a couple other restaurants open doing like curbside and stuff, but I recommend like Jack's. Jack's has really good food. I love their fries, their seasoned fries, and they have a BLT, which is really delicious. Let's see, Arby's is pretty good. They have like chicken sliders, chicken wraps, stuff like that. That's healthy. Chick-fil-A, of course, Chick-fil-A has to be in there. Don't be disrespectful if you don't like Chick-fil-A. Don't do it. Okay? Okay. So yeah, also wanted to share with you guys a couple makeup products that I really love. I use the NYX Bare With Me Prime Set and Refresh primer spray. Very affordable. I think this is less than $10. I'm not sure, but I used it today on my face. Another favorite makeup product I like is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection. I used this one today. I have 3 of them. There's 4 of them, but I only have the 3. And I used this gold color. Just wanted to make myself look a little decent today. So I mainly put on makeup to do this video as well. Also the blush I use all the time, very light, looks natural to me, and is the Tiger Lily number 6. It looks like this. It's a duo, so just swirl it around a little bit and it creates a nice natural color. And yeah, so that's what I've been up to this quarantine, is watching Netflix shows and playing Xbox. I've also been trying this White Claw. I'm gonna get a new one, but this is from yesterday. And what inspired me is Jill Cimarelli and Tara Michelle. They drink White Claws, and I wanted to try it. It has 5% alcohol in it. It spikes sparkling water with a hint of black cherry. So far, I think this is gonna be the sweetest one, but I haven't drink the other flavors yet. So I know today I'm going to try a different flavor. But yeah, that's what's going on. And I also wanted to collect some bottle caps and create something cool as a activity, but it's taken a little longer than expected. But yeah, I have the White Claws in here. So what I'm gonna do now is, I think, work on my ethics final a little bit and my argument essay, and that's it. So I will get some clips of that as well, and I might clean my car out. So we'll see what else the day takes us, and then I'll see you later. All right, me and my mom went to go get a salad from the place called Chop Chop where we live. So good. It's got spring mix and spring lettuce, tomatoes, onions, tortilla chips, chicken, and then I got extra avocado and extra onions. But I love this salad. It's a good size too. So figure out where my mom's eating. If she's eating in her room, then I'm eating in mine. So figure that out. Be back. Come on. Y'all want to add me on the Xbox? Ooh. Fortnite decided trying to take forever to update or whatever, so Piccadilly it is.
Myself every single day to get content up for you guys, and I love it. I love what I do. I am so grateful that I still have this job, but there is an added level of difficulty when you are getting criticized on everything you're doing.
Okay guys, I haven't talked to you guys in a minute, but I haven't really done anything. I worked on my argument essay, and that's pretty much done. And now I'm gonna play some Fortnite and chill out for the rest of the night. So I'm gonna end this video here, and make sure you guys subscribe and like this video for me. And I'll see you guys in the next video.